In front of me is Honor 600 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store to download free app called Koffeen Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it and thanks to it after hitting OK. Get this timeout option. As you can see, it's by default set to infinite. Now let's set it up so it will work on your Honor. Go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and edit your shortcuts thanks to this button at the top left corner. Scroll, hit Add Tile, scroll, and then tap on plus icon at the top right corner of Caffeine shortcut. I will just remove, for example, this one to add it instead. Make sure to click on this checkmark at the top right corner once you finish. Then click on your new shortcut. So sorry, misclick. And as you can see, mine turned white. That means that infinite sleep time is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on it again until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!